And we're back at the HDMI booth here at Computex 2024. And I'd like to introduce Pihan here from Asus, who is going to talk to us about some very interesting and exciting gaming and AI activities that company has going on here. So why don't you introduce yourself and talk a little bit about your company.
Okay, no problem. Hi, my name is Pihan. I'm from Asus, mainly in charge of the gaming notebook. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about the old gaming industry and gaming market trend, as well as the AI. Because if you see, of course, gaming through the COVID-19, gaming market grow rapidly. And if you watch all the keynotes in this year, Computex, everybody talk about AI. So what is the relation between AI and gaming? In Asus, we have three different main categories. We call it living, gaming, and creating. So we have new products like ZenBook, and we just launched 2 days ago in our press event. And it's the first ZenBook with the AI capability inside. And because it's living, so it's like for everyone. So it's like a 16-inch and very thin and light. You can easily carry it all around you. And it's with the NPU inside, so you can do a lot of AI stuff within this notebook. Right.
Yeah, so that sounds very exciting. That the AI. Everybody thinks about AI is up in the cloud, and they think about ChatGPT and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Why is bringing it down into the notebook, into the laptop?
Yeah.
Why is that so important?
I think in the future it will be very important because there are two parts. One is cloud computing. It's very expensive, so you need to pay a lot. And the second thing is the privacy and the security. So of course you don't want to your data, every confidential data, upload to the cloud. So that's why you have a private local AI is very important. And the first part is I just mentioned about the living right. And for the gaming, of course we co-work with NVIDIA and we use their GPU. So they have their own technology like DLSS or super resolution. It come up several years ago, and they can use their software to increase the frame rate within the same GPU wattage. Yeah, so that's the application for AI on gaming. And if you watch the Microsoft launch their Copilot 2 weeks ago, they have a demonstration. It's like when you playing Minecraft and there's a AI talk to you like a real coach that can coach you gaming. So I think AI for the gaming is very important in the future. Yeah.
And that's very exciting. You talk about how it increases the frame rates there.
Yes.
And that ties very closely with HDMI 2.1b.
Yeah, sure.
Which has a lot of gaming features.
Yes.
Can support very high resolutions up to 8K, can support higher frame rates, 120, 144, and beyond.
Yeah.
So we're seeing a lot of trends there. So I know some of your new products are really pushing the performance and leveraging those HDMI 2.1 capabilities.
Yeah. Actually, for our high-end gaming notebooks, we all adapt HDMI 2.1b maybe 2 years ago. Yeah, so we are the first one to adapt this new technology. And I think it's not only for living and gaming. We have another product line, we call it ProR. It's for creating. So it's like ProR is where you store things. That means you can use your camera, your phone, your camera, your GoPro to take all the videos through your life and use these ProR products like notebooks or monitors to add it to your stories. And we all create our own software. We call it like Story Cube. You can easily find all your resources through different media like GoPro or your camera, and you can easily edit it through some AI technology. Yeah, and of course you can use HDMI to connect to all the devices you want to project that. Yeah.
And in another category, Asus is a pioneer in is handheld
Yeah.
portable PC gaming.
Yes.
So talk
sure.
about a little bit about your Republica games and your products
Sure.
there.
We actually we launched the ROG A Line last year, and this year we have a new generation ROG A Line, and it's like kind of like a very big improvement from the last generation. We bigger the battery life because we think we got some feedback that if it's a handheld device, the battery life is very important, and so we need to increase the battery life to let user can play games longer through their work or commute. Yeah. So I think we also do some small improvement inside the chassis.
Okay.
So I think everyone will be very excited about that, the new ROG.
Well, there's a lot of excitement coming from Asus here at Computex. Thank you for stopping by the HDMI booth, and we'll catch up with you next year at Computex.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.